Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer ownership of your Telegram channel on a PC step by step. If you want someone else to become the owner of your channel, Telegram allows you to transfer ownership in just a few steps. So let's get started. First, open the Telegram desktop app on your computer and sign into your account. Next, open the channel whose ownership you want to transfer. Now click on the channel name at the top to open the channel information window. You'll see options like Mute, Discuss, Manage, and more. Click on Manage. In the Channel Management page, click on Administrators. Here you'll see the current list of channel administrators. If the person you want to transfer ownership to isn't already an administrator, click Add Administrator at the bottom. Search for the person, select them, assign the permissions you want, and click Save. Once they've been added as an administrator, return to the administrators list. Now click on the administrator you want to make the new owner. In the Administrator settings, scroll down until you see the Transfer Ownership option. Click Transfer Ownership. Telegram will display a confirmation message explaining that ownership will be transferred permanently. Click Transfer Ownership again to continue. For security reasons, Telegram may ask you to enter your two-step verification password. Enter your password and confirm. If you haven't enabled two-step verification, Telegram may ask you to set it up first. In some cases, you'll also need to wait for the required security period before you can transfer ownership. Once the verification is complete, the selected administrator will become the new owner of the channel. After the transfer, you'll remain an administrator unless you choose to leave the channel or your permissions are changed by the new owner. And that's it. You've successfully transferred ownership of your Telegram channel on your PC. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Telegram tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.